Why are there not more people talking about the African safari? The sun beats down, dust dances in the air. This is the African safari, a place of stark beauty and relentless challenges. From the wide-open savannas to watering holes teeming with life, this land is home to a cast of characters as diverse as the landscapes themselves. Here, survival is a delicate dance, a constant negotiation between predator and prey, abundance and scarcity. Animals have adapted in extraordinary ways to thrive in this environment where temperatures can soar during the day and plummet at night. This is a world of extremes where only the most resilient survive. In the heart of the savanna, a deep rumble echoes across the plains. It's the unmistakable call of the lion, the apex predator whose very presence commands respect. Lions are social cats, living in prides ruled by a dominant male. Their tawny coats blend seamlessly with the golden grasslands, allowing them to stalk prey with stealth and precision. They are opportunistic hunters, relying on strength in numbers to bring down large prey like zebras and wildebeest. But life for a lion is not always easy. They must defend their territory from rivals and contend with dwindling prey populations due to habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict. Few sights are as awe-inspiring as a herd of elephants moving across the savanna. These gentle giants are the largest land animals on Earth, their immense size and strength matched only by their intelligence and social complexity. They roam vast distances in search of food and water, their wrinkled skin and large ears helping them to regulate their body temperature in the scorching heat. Elephants are matriarchal societies, led by the oldest and most experienced female. Their long lifespans and strong family bonds are a testament to their resilience. But even these giants are facing growing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change, making their conservation more crucial than ever. Section 4: Giraffes, reaching new heights in a changing world. Their long necks reaching for the sky, giraffes are a symbol of the African savanna. They are the tallest mammals on Earth, their height giving them a unique perspective on their surroundings. They use their long necks to browse on leaves high in the trees, reaching food sources that other herbivores cannot. Their distinctive spotted patterns provide excellent camouflage, helping them to blend in with the dappled light of the savanna woodlands. But even with their impressive height and adaptations, giraffes are facing challenges. Habitat fragmentation and poaching for their meat and hides are pushing some giraffe populations towards a precarious future. Section 5: A fragile balance, our role in preservation. The African safari is a testament to the power of adaptation and the delicate balance of nature. It is a world of wonder and beauty, where animals have evolved remarkable strategies to survive in a land of extremes. But this fragile ecosystem is under increasing pressure from human activities. Habitat loss, climate change, and poaching are all taking a toll on the remarkable creatures that call this place home. As we marvel at the wonders of the safari, we must also recognize our responsibility to protect it. By supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable tourism, and raising awareness about the challenges facing these animals, we can help to ensure that the wild heart of Africa continues to beat strong for generations to come.